So good day. So as you can see from yesterday's setup that I did for you guys on the dollar index, you can see that we did actually just bounce off from here and went all the way up. So with this bounce, then we did expect a push up. We did expect a push up on dollar pairs. We did expect the dollar to gain some strength. So for the whole day yesterday, we got a bullish move. If I can show you that actually this is the setup. This is the setup. We were here, and then now we're all the way up there. So it did go according the plan. So I still do expect some bullish movement. I do expect some bullish movement. And with that said, we do expect our USD CAD to also go up. Also, on the statement that I made was that I usually like to enter on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, because price has given you that low of the week, the high of the week usually. And then by the end of the series of this week, you'd know why I chose Tuesday to Wednesday to take my entries, Also, I'd like to go back to how we did USD CAD, right? To see. I want you guys to see something. This was our USD CAD, the setup that we had. It was on the 1 hour, if I'm being correct. It was on the 1 hour. What happened here? What happened here? What happened here was we took the entry on Monday. We took the entry on Monday. The structure still held. Remember, the structure was we were this was supposedly our higher low and pushed up, but you see that the market still, it didn't break. If you can check on the 4 hour, it came to give us an even better, a higher low. This is our low, higher low, higher low, higher low, It even came to give us an even better one, It even came, I think Joy did see it. I think Joy did see it. But you can see that, okay, the market pushed down with that candle. It took us out on Monday. If we entered yesterday, when our dollar index, or the time I sent it, was moving up, we would have had a pristine entry. We would have a pristine entry. So we did take a loss on Monday. The entry was bad, but the structure was right. You see now it's about to hit TP. It's about to hit TP, So also that's why I prefer like coming in on Tuesdays, early Wednesdays, even if we took an entry today, would be good, So that's why I'm saying that's okay. I prefer trading on Tuesday to Wednesdays, Tuesdays to Wednesdays. But we took a loss here. It was a 25 pip loss. It was a 1:2 risk reward ratio. This trade. Now it went to TP. It's sad that we didn't catch it, but it's fine. So today I want us to touch. I know most of you can say no, but me, I don't trade. I don't trade indices and. This was actually a good trade. There was actually a good trade on what we call on futures when I was trading NASDAQ. I'll show you now the before, because I like showing the before, and it was shared on one of my groups. It's the hourly, right? Yes, it's the hourly. This thing actually did hit TP, if you can just extend that thing there. So what I want you to see is this. Do you see? This was shared on the 16th on the Langer Forex group on the 16th of October. You can see there, that's when it was shared, and this is where it is now, right? No drawdown, nothing, straight from there. Took our sell limits, pushed down, pushed down. With the geopolitics, I still believe this thing still wanna go further down. Yesterday, the spike was just because of the earnings. Keep note that we have earnings at the end of after the market close. So usually if I was trading this buy, I was gonna buy 5 to 10 at night, get my 100 pips, get out, because earnings are just gonna keep getting good, but they don't change the structure of the market. A lot of people are looking to buy this market because it has fell, but I don't see any buyers. Here's NASDAQ now, right? You can see here that the futures, they're just easy, but it's the same market structure, same movement, same everything. But looking at the price, you see the prices are different. This is where what we trade on our brokers. But futures, because of higher grade, I'm gonna show you going forward. But you see, I have lines here, vertical lines. These lines are opens. These lines are opens, open, sales, open. So normally how I trade, what I've seen on a higher time frame, that's okay, we are selling. Then I go to my 15. My 15 is gonna give me daily open. This was the Asian session. This was yesterday, the Asian session. You can see there's 9:30 or 8:30, guys. Confused. I think it's 8:30 though. I think it's 8:30. I think it's 8:30. I'm gonna confirm before we truly start this chapter on what's happening, Yeah. But normally what I do is that, okay, for today, that's what, okay, this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday today. So the high of the week is that I don't want to consider that spike. I don't want to consider that spike. That's the high of the week. Normally, but I need to pay more so that I can get the subscription. High of the week. That's the highest point we have this week. And then we have the low of the week, right? And this is the Asian high here. We have the Asian high. That's the Asian high. So I'm looking to sell this market, right? I'm looking to sell this market. So I have my half the week, at least to here, back to the low of the week, So I'm gonna go to an hour again and look for structure and say, yeah, just right there where I'm at my high of the week. Remember, drop, base drop. So I can expect this market to come there. Then I'm gonna sell from there. Can expect this market to make bounce up from here. Then it open, right? So this is the US Open. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna go back and confirm if it's opposite or up 9. Don't bite my head up on this one. So I can expect the market maybe an open, they spike up or whatever. But then that's where I'm gonna start taking my sales and go all the way down with my stop loss just above the high of the week. If I'm wrong, then might take profit there. This is just an intraday trade. So I wanna show you this works all the time. You can see my entries. Yeah, you see, I was doing this thing last week for last of last week, from the previous week's high, then previous week's low did reach it, So that's what I'm gonna be looking at. If we take out this low, I might take a chance and go down with it, but rather miss a trade than to try and catch falling knives. And then I just gave out a signal because this is my base here. The market, it goes all the way up there, then I sell from there. But I didn't wait because I see it already rejected. So I just took this. I just took that, that one when we we're going up. So if we're coming down to buy and didn't close below, we closed above, we're not continue to buy, but we closed above. So I'm doing the inverse. So that's why I'm saying, okay, it came back here. That's why I was supposed to take an entry and go down, but I missed it. But it's fine. I'm still gonna chow it. I'm still on a chow it. I'm still on a chow it. You go to small time frame. This was the one. you know. So we still wanna sell here, still wanna sell Euro USD because we are still buying our dollar index. If you have any questions, please ask me.